Namaste, Salam, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to my channel, Kamaal Kitchen. And today I am cooking Matar Paneer in a restaurant style. So let's begin. Till now, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe Kamaal Kitchen now. You can also follow me on Facebook and don't forget to like and share the video. Let's start the cooking now. So the ingredients are 1 teaspoon of kitchen king masala, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder for color and flavor, 1 teaspoon of normal red chili powder. As you know that Kashmiri red chili powder was not hot, this is hot. 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, cumin seeds, fresh ginger garlic paste around 1 tablespoon, butter, 1 cup of green peas, chopped onion. Here I have taken around 3 medium sized onion, around 1 cup of tomato paste. This is not puree, only a paste of tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of cream. This is homemade paneer, friends, and if you want to know how I have made paneer, you can ask me in comment box. Around 200 grams I have taken here. 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. In kadhai I am adding oil. When oil is hot, I am adding butter into it. Friends, always remember, don't put butter first. Here I am adding oil just to avoid the burning of butter. Otherwise your butter will get burned and your dish will be totally spoiled. So always add oil first. I will stir it once. Then I am adding cumin seeds into it. We'll stir once again and wait for the crackling sound. Now I will add onion into it. Stir it nicely. We have to fry onion till golden brown. Now onions are nicely done. Now it is in golden brown color. See, onions are nicely done. Now I am adding the tomato paste into it and will fry the tomato paste nicely with onions. Now I am adding ginger garlic paste into it. Just after that I will add salt, because salt will release all the water from the tomatoes and will fry the tomatoes very well. So always add salt. Now tomatoes are almost fried. We have to cook nicely because our gravy is totally depends upon how your tomatoes and onions are fried. Now I am adding red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, and we'll stir it nicely. We have to cook good 8 to 10 minutes until the masala get fried. So nicely we have to stir it. Now I'm adding peas into it. And stir it nicely with all masalas. We have to cook this for 5 minutes until the peas get all the flavor from the masala. We have to fry this mixture till the oil gets separated. Now our masalas are nicely done. Peas also have got flavor from the masalas. Now I'm adding around 1 cup of water into it. You can keep gravy as you like, thick or little bit runny. Here I'm adding more half of cup water into it because it was thick for me. Now I will cover this and will cook for 10 to 15 minutes or till the peas get soft. Now after 10-15 minutes I will check that peas are done or not. Don't overcook your peas. So now peas are half done. At this moment I will add paneer. As I told you, my paneer was homemade, so it was very soft. So stir it little bit delicately. Give a nice stir. And we'll cover it again for 5 minutes. Now in cream I'm adding the Kitchen King masala and will mix it nicely with cream. Instead of cream you can also take malai. So friends, after 5 minutes I will check and will add little bit more salt into it and stir it nicely. Remember, we have added salt earlier also when we were frying our tomatoes and garlic. So give a good stir. Our Matar Paneer is almost ready to serve. But before serving, we have to add something else. That is a very important ingredient. Yes, now I am adding the malai and the Kitchen King masala mixture into the gravy and stir it nicely. After adding cream, don't cook it more than 1 or 2 minutes. So now the gravy is done. Now our Matar Paneer is ready. I am garnishing it with slitted green chilies.